How to find your recent search on your Instagram account. Hello guys, how it's going? Today I will show you, teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like this video. So let's start. You go first and you open your Instagram. After that, when your Instagram is opening, as you see, we'll just go down and open your profile. Then you will go here on this three line and click. Then you will go to your activity. Then after your activity, you will just go to recent search here. And here you will find all your recent search. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful and helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you next video.